Hey guys, this video is a little bit uh, personal besides gardening or greening the desert or showing you guys the orchard that we're trying to do here. Yeah, today is actually my sister Marilou's viewing. She passed away a few days ago. Um, yeah, finally she's with my brother Riddell, my brother June, my parents as well, my mom and dad. They're in heaven. Yeah. Unfortunately, unable to go to Northern California because I told my sister that having problems with the car, a lot of problems with the car. So I can't really drive what 500 miles away or 5 hours away, and I know I'm gonna get stuck. And just living here in the high desert is not easy. uh, Extreme heat, extreme wind, extreme cold, everything's extreme here. The life is hard, and living here in the high desert with no running water, no running lights, it's tough. So I'm not sure if everyone understand that, and if everyone in my family understand that. Hopefully they do. That's why I'm making this video, just to make things clear. It's not that I don't want to see my dad when he passed away. It's not that I don't want to see my sister when she passed away. It's just, it's tough. Money wise, it's tough. Our vehicle and all that. Just the life itself, it's tough living here in the high desert. But we will miss my sister Marilou. I miss my parents, my dad, my mom, my brother June, my brother Riddell. So hopefully things will get better. And yeah, trying to stay positive here, but there's a lot of problems as well. But you know, just gotta live your life, and don't forget to call your loved one and say I love you or whatnot, or you miss them, because you never know. You see them today, you might not see them tomorrow. Anyway, guys, thank you for your understanding, and continue to watch my videos when it comes to growing things here in the high desert with no water and no running water and no electricity and whatnot. Okay, guys, God bless you guys, and peace be with you.